Hey guitar enthusiast, Lauren Bateman here. In this video, we're going to go over 3 simple chords. I think they're the easiest chords to play because they only require one finger. So let's get into the video. There's going to be 3 chords that I'm going to show you in this video. They're the A chord, the D chord, and the E chord. So the cool thing about these 3 chords, A, D, and E, the way I'm going to show them, one, you only need one finger. Probably the easiest way to play guitar. And also, if you learn these 3 chords, you're going to know how to play lots and lots of songs. I'll actually link to a few down below in the description of this video. So like I said, we're going to use our first finger. We're mainly going to be working off of this 2nd fret on the guitar. So let's go through how to play these 3 chords. The first one we're going to start with is the easy E chord. Okay, all we're going to do is take our first finger and we're going to put it on the 2nd fret of the 5th string. And what I want you to do is I want you to strum the top string and the 5th string together. This is an E power chord. Okay, you want to just try and get those top 2 strings. So again, we're going to use our first finger, put it on the 2nd fret of the 5th string. That is our E chord. The next chord we're going to talk about is an A chord. All right, and all we're going to do, so we just learned the E chord, which was the first finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret. All I want you to do is I just want you to move this one finger down one string. So we're going from the 5th string to the 4th string. And now all I want you to do with your picking hand is pick the 5th and 4th strings together. Okay, so far we've learned E major and we've learned D major. So the D chord, again, one finger. Let's start with that E chord. We're going to work our way down to the D chord. So we got the E chord was the 5th string, first finger on the 5th string. The A chord was the first finger on the 4th string. Well, the D chord is going to be the first finger on the 3rd string. All right, so we have E, A, D. All right, E, A, D. And you can see I'm just moving my first finger down one string. So you can just practice that, going 5, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3. And on the D chord, we're just trying to hit the middle 2 strings, the 4th and 3rd. All right. You can use chords like this to play songs like Kansas City or Walk the Line. I'll put a couple examples, like I said, in the description below. And if you're looking for more easy, simple chords to learn songs with, check out my 2-fingered chord variations. I'll put a video right over here. You guys can go check that out. Or if you want to learn a song with these chords, you can check that out down there.